It's like Christmas. Welcome to the unboxing of the Walthers Haul for giveaways on my Patreon YouTube channel. This is a pretty good load of stuff to give away. I'm going to build some of this. I think it's probably going to be the Walthers Freight House, which I really like that building. It's a real pretty building. So, and I got a bunch of N-scale stuff too, because there's a lot of N-scaler guys out there too. I don't build N-scale, but I felt like I needed to do something for the N-scalers. Northern Power and Light. This one here probably I'll build. Got quite a few roof details. Got several HO roof details and an N-scale roof details. And an N-scale freight terminal as well. Give this away. Like I say, I'll probably build it for the HO scale. Quite a few items in here. I really like the Walthers products. They just, the cornerstone stuff to me is just top of the line. It's New River Mining. I got an HO scale New River Mining and an N scale New River Mining. I'm going to give this stuff away. Most of it. I've got on my Patreon. I'm going to try and figure out a way to do this where the giveaways we used to do with the YouTube model builders was done through a website, and it was kind of cumbersome. I may just do this. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it, but I want to get some of this out to some of you guys. The guys that are interested, that need some models, and are members of my YouTube channel. Or, I think on my YouTube channel you can become a member, and then on my Patreon you can become a member. They'll give you an opportunity to win some of this stuff. Again, Walthers is just awesome stuff, I think. I got quite a few. I'm ready to start working on giveaways and build. Like I say, I'll probably build this Water Street Freight Terminal first. There's a Water Street Terminal there. Sign up on my Patreon, and you can also become a member on my YouTube channel. Not quite sure how you do that, but you can. Fun stuff here. You guys have a good day.